I'm Mike, co-founder of Skypods. We're a company based in South Yorkshire, founded in 2019. We make pods, garden rooms, offices, all from recycled and upcycled aircraft. They come in various sizes, different shapes. Some have got bathrooms and bedrooms in, some can be home offices or garden rooms. Some are smaller ones with bifold doors. They can be anything you want them to be. Anytime you need a space, Skypods are your answer. Each pod is bespoke to a customer's needs and requirements. A customer will come to us, they'll tell us the size and the idea that they've got or how they want it to look when it's finished. All the front is bespoke and made to order. All the flooring can be chosen, all the interior colours. It really is a time to let your imagination take flight. So all the planes are sourced from UK scrapyards. They're all cut to size in-house, and then we fabricate and manufacture them with a small team here in Barnsley. All our products are fully installed and delivered, included in the price. Whether that needs craning over a house, we have got a delivery company that can get your pod into any place it needs to be. We've also got things for other budgets, smaller offices, or there's a Sky Quad, which is a smaller version of a Sky Pod. It's still an aeroplane, but it's half the size of a Sky Pod. So if you've got a small footprint garden and a smaller budget, but still want that aviation uniqueness, the Sky Quad works for you. We also make Sky Bars, so if you're having a home bar project but you want something to stand out, something that's low maintenance and can be any colour, then Sky Bars also work great. The main reason our customers choose us is because our product's unique. Whether you're into aeroplanes, whether you're a pilot or not, the fact that it's made from an $120 million aircraft and there'll not be another one like it in the world is a main selling point. The fact that we can turn these aeroplanes that are going to be scrapped into something that people can enjoy again and that look beautiful in the garden is the most satisfying part of this project.